Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install this 4G module and work with KinCony S3 board. The S3 mini board that is made by ESP32-S3. So this have some interface that have I2C and S485 and 433 MHz IF receive module, and this is for the analog input for voltage signal or the current signal, and the USB-C, the Ethernet. So if you want to work with the 4G module, you can see this can use this SIM7600. And how to install it? You can plug it into it, but this is not fixed. So we will need to use this screw and install it. So I will show you how to install this 4G module. So you can just release this screw. Okay, then you will see this is PCB because that was support install rail. So this is a plastic shoe, and we can install the screw right here. Just at here, and fix it. Okay, this is another one at this hole. Okay, and then you can install the 4G module. Just plug in it, and this can install the whole screw. And this is the last one. Okay, so that will be very stable and will not move. And the last, we just insert to the plastic shoe and install this back. And this have two screws. Okay, now it's ready. You can install the SIM card right here, then install this board to your power distribution box used by the 4G module for short message or voice call or GPRS. Okay, thanks for watching.